Hello class, I hope you are doing well. In our last video we had learned about surds and its rationalization. In this video we shall continue with the same topic and solve few more problems on this chapter. So here is our first question. If a and b are rational numbers, find the values of a and b in each of the following. This is question number 13 which I'm going to solve now. So as you can see here we have a number given here, a fraction, and it is equal to a plus b root 2. The simplified form is, or the rationalized form is, a plus b root 2. So what will be the value of a and what will be the value of b? It is quite similar with the previous question which we had solved. So we'll just start. First of all, we'll take the left hand side. We have 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. This is equal to 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 multiplied by, as we are going to rationalize this, I hope you remember how to rationalize it. We use the same number with opposite sign. So in your last assignment, many of you made a lot of mistakes. You did this part right, but you don't know how to multiply. Some of you don't know how to use formula. Some of you are not acquainted with the formula. We had already discussed all those, and I want you to see the videos thoroughly, try to understand that topic. If you can't understand it, you should feel free to ask me, sir, how does this come? Okay, so here I have 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. They are to be multiplied, so this will be a plus b, the other one is a minus b, and when a plus b and a minus b are multiplied, we get a square minus b squared. Very simple, right? Likewise, this is a plus b, this one is also a plus b, both are exactly same. So a plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole thing square. So if you whole square them, you use formula here. A plus b whole square formula is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And here I have 3 square is 9 minus root 2 square is 2. So 3 square will be 9 plus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 root 2 plus root 2 square is 2 divided by 9 minus 2 7. So I can add this and this. I had already told you that this is a part of the irrational number, so you cannot add with the rational number. 9 plus 2 will give you 11. You can't write it as 17. This is irrational, so you cannot add it. You just keep it like this. So what we have now is 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7. Now I have to make this in two parts, so I'll just separate the fraction into two. As I have 7 here, I'll provide 7 to both, and then this is 11, so this becomes 11 by 7. The other one will become 6 by 7, and root 2 will be written separately. I hope you understand this one. 11 by 7 plus 6 by 7 root 2. Now this was equal to a plus b root 2. Now if a plus b root 2 should be equal to 11 by 7 plus 6 by 7 root 2. Now can you guess what is a? The first one is a equal to 11 by 7, and the second one without the root, the rational number, b will be equal to 6 by 7. That's it. This is how we find the value. So the solving part is exactly same like before. what is extra here? We have to make fractions, two different fractions, and keep the root away. Then the first one will become a, the second one will be b. I hope you understand this one. There are a few questions based on this type of format, so where you have to find a plus b root 2, so those will be assignment. And the other question which I'm going to solve is question number 11, which is simplify. You can see here we have three different expression terms in the expression. This one is the first one, second one, third one. So what we'll do is we will solve this, rationalize this individually, and then we'll put the answer to find the solution. So let's start. First of all, we will start with the first one. We have 2 by root 5 plus root 3, that is equal to 2 by root 5 plus root 3 multiplied by, we will rationalize the denominator, root 5 minus root 3 and root 5 minus root 3. Now this will be like before, a square minus b square. Here we'll multiply these two, 2 root 5 minus 2 root 3. This is, oh sorry, the blunder. Let us not multiply this because the answer will be a bit easier if we don't multiply. Here we have 5 square minus, 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So by 2 it cancel this, root 5 minus root 3. So if I had multiplied this, these two would not cancel. Then the next one is 1 by root 3 plus root 2. This will be just like the previous one. We'll just rationalize the denominator by multiplying it and dividing it with same number having opposite sign. So here the sign is opposite, and then we'll have a square minus b square, and this will be 1 into root 3 is root 3, 1 into root 3 is root 2, so we'll just keep it like this. So this is root 3 minus root 2 divided by 3 minus 2. Root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2, so 3 minus 2 is 1. We don't need to write it anymore. Root 3 minus root 2, right? Then the next one would be 1 by root 5 plus, I'm just writing it on the side because I don't want to use a new page. So this is 1 by root 5 plus root 2 multiplied by root 5 minus root 2. Here also it will be root 5 minus root 2. Now if I multiply these two, what will we get? Just like before, root 5 square minus root 2 square, and when these are multiplied you get root 5 minus root 2. Now this is 5 minus 2, root 5 minus root 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, root 5 minus root 2. So the first one, this one, we got this. For the second one we got this. For the third one we got this. Now what we'll do is we will just copy the complete question, put the values of each in the question, and then we will find the answer. So our question was 2 by root 5 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 2 minus 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So this is equal to, we are finding the answer now. The first one is root 5 minus root 3 for this one. Then there is a plus sign, so I'll put plus root 3 minus root 2. This is the second one. Then a minus, and then I have to adjust my exercise book a bit. The last one is root 5 minus root 2 divided by 3. So here what I'll do is we'll cancel these two. What we are left with is root 5 minus root 2 minus root 5 minus root 2 by 3. Now this cannot be cancelled unless we take the LCM, so the LCM will be 3. Here I'll have 3 root 5 minus 3 root 2 minus root 5 minus into plus, sorry, minus into minus would be plus root 2. Then we are ready to have the answer now. So problem with the space, I'll just continue it here. So if I'm subtract this and this from this, I'll get 3 minus 1 is 2 root 5 minus same thing, 3 minus 1 is 2 root 2 divided by 3. So this is equal to, take 2 common, root 5 minus root 2 by 3. So this is your solution. A bit lengthy, maybe a bit difficult also, but you have to learn it. Don't forget that you are class 9 now, and we don't know how long this pandemic will go on, so lessons will be learned this way. Hope you have understand this. If you have any doubt regarding this, feel free to ask me. And then comes your assignment. For your assignment, you'll have question number exercise 1.4. I'll send you the picture like usually. 1.4, question number 12, question number 14, question number 15 and 16 and 16. Okay, let these 4 questions be your assignment. Let this be all. Thank you.